What's up, guys? Biker Dave here at Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia, about a half hour north of Atlanta, off of Highway 575 on Highway 92, heading towards Roswell in Woodstock. If you are buying a Denago, like this is a Denago Rover XL, we offer pretty killer canopy lights and underglow lights. As you see, they actually work with the touchscreen on the cart, which is pretty cool. So you see LED right here. Not only does it operate the sound bar right there, but the car body settings, both of these operate the upper and lower lighting systems that you see. Pretty cool. Make sure you ask for it. If you're going to buy a cart from us, we can install them here in our shop. Impress your friends. They look awesome. You get remote control with them that can change, the lighting sequence and color sequence and whatnot. It just looks killer. So yeah, we're an authorized Denago, Star, and Club Car dealer. We also offer the enclosures, the canopy enclosures for these. And so yeah, check us out. You can just Google us, Golf Cars of Woodstock, or just type in golfcarsofwoodstock.com. You can find us on Facebook as well. We carry all models, of the Denago Nomad and Rover. So just talk to John here in sales. I'll put the phone number down below, or you can just email us. I'll put the email link down below as well. And that's it. Very pleased with these carts. They're becoming our best seller, and everyone loves them. So yeah, check it out. Y'all have a great day.